Well, I've had a chilled out morning so far. I was going to walk up to Wallasey and pick up the car after a nice night out with my mate John last night, but it's pouring down with rain and hope's hurt her leg. So I'm going to do the right thing, jump on the bus. Picked up a nice breakfast on the way home. Well, this afternoon's little project, I've got this old belt and the buckle's snapped off it, so I've started making a new one. Made a little bracket, it's actually a part of a hinge, made all that. I'm going to cover it with wood, polish it all up. Made a good start. Kept me out of mischief till we go down to the stables. Oh, it's wet and miserable, isn't it, Sky? Hey? Watching the world go by. Right, see you, Sky. See you in the week. Well, we've had a nice day today. Weather's been pants. We've got some stuff done. I'm just doing a bit of ironing there. We're going out for a meal tonight, Mother's Day, and we're taking Lynne out for a nice slap-up meal. And the kids are home as well, and their other halves. I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all very soon. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe.